stuff
Think
where
the
like
controversy about the money to the ear was too much.
no, I don't think it was too much, but do what you do.
Right.
Our jeans is tighter than Jay-Z jeans, you know
Right,
what I'm saying?
right,
we
right.
wear off-white and
Right.
whole rocking Tom Ford is just
Right,
a different, two
right.
different things, but
Right.
you know, it's at some point
But it's
you want to
still
put some
game, it's
Tom
still-
Ford on. At some point, you want to put the money down and, like, you know what I mean, invest.
Yeah.
Get some credit with what he said,
Right,
for
right,
real.
right.
Don't never get it mixed up. He kicking real reality rap, you know what I'm saying? You
Yeah.
might go look on Instagram and see Meek Mill got 6 foreigns. Meek Mill got good credit too, you know what I'm saying? We didn't put that part on Instagram, and
Yeah.
you know, he just teaching people the game. Like, come on,
Right.
you running around with 100,000 in your pocket
Right.
for what?
Right.
You know what I'm saying? You got the money to your ear for what?
Yeah.
I like it because it's a good picture for me. You know what I mean? I'm talking to
Exactly.
Benjamin. I remember Benjamin would never answer my calls.
Right.
So, you know what I mean? I could pick up and holler at him whenever I want to now. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I give him a call every once in a while.
Yeah.